All right, so this time we're going to convert decimals into fractions. So on the side of your notes, just write convert decimals to fractions. And here's the example. For your example, we're going to take 0.8. What is 0.8? Like when you learned place value, like on the positive side, it was one, tens, hundredths. What did we call the first place after the decimal point? Tenths, right? So it's really 8 out of 10. So what that means is that I'm going to put 8 over 10. But that's not my final answer because I need to reduce my answer into its simplest terms. So I can divide both numbers in half, right? Always a good place to start. So I can turn that 8 into a 4. And I could turn that 10 into a 5 just by dividing each number in half. I can't reduce 4/5 any smaller. So 4/5 is my final answer. And I would box that out. So let's do another example. This time, we're going to take 0.28. So when you come 2 places after the decimal point, if the first one is tenths, what's the second one? Do you remember? It is hundredths. So that means I'm going to take that 28 and put it over 100. So now I need to reduce it down. Let's say I don't know how to reduce. Both of them are even numbers. I can start by just dividing it in half, right? So half of 28 is 14. And half of 100 is 50. I can still reduce those numbers in half. So half of 14 is 7. And half of 50 is 25. But I can't reduce that any further. So I would box that out. 7/25 is my final answer. Any questions?